Welcome everyone. আমি আজি next 100 যোনখিনি আছে সেইখিনি আমি আজি cover up কৰিম ওকে তাৰ পিছত এই 1000 series শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত আমি next 2000 series লৈকে আগবাঢ়িম ওকে and side by side আমাৰ computer series to start হ'ব ওকে তাৰ পিছত Indian faller যোনখিনি questions আছে সেইখিনি আমি cover up কৰিম ওকে আৰু কাবাৰ যদি কিবা ডাউট থাকে মাইনুট ডাউট যেনেকে ম্যাথছ হ'ব পাৰে ইংলিশ হ'ব পাৰে ৰিজনিং হ'ব পাৰে যদি প্ৰবলেম ফেস কৰি আছে ঠিক আছে কমেন্ট বক্সত একবাৰ কৈ জনাই দিব কি প্ৰবলেম ফেস কৰি আছে সো দ্যাট মই নতুন এটা সিৰিজ আৰম্ভ কৰিব পাৰো ওকে আৰু সেকেন্ডৰ পৰা আমাৰ অনলাইন ক্লাसेस স্টাৰ্ট হৈ আছে এডিআৰই আৰু এসআই যোনখিনি ক্লাसेस আছে ওকে ফৰ অল আসাম এক্সাম এটা অনলাইন হেতু জয়েন কৰিব পাৰিব ডেসক্ৰিপচন বক্সত পুৰাখিনি কথাখিনি জনোৱা আছে ওকে তো আমি স্টাৰ্ট কৰো নেক্সট আমাৰ 100 ওকে লাষ্ট কোৱেশ্চন আছিল ইভেন বাটোদা the celebrated traveler visited Assam in the 14th century the British made aerodrome at Barnagar Sarbhog was set ablaze under the leadership of Brajanath Sharma in August 1942 which district was separated from Assam and given to Pakistan in 1947 that is Sylhet या फिर Sylhet Zojila Pass is in Jammu and Kashmir the first telegraph line was laid in India between Calcutta and Bombay where was India's first computer installed that is in Indian Statistical Institute Calcutta okay the Tartar tribe inhabitants in which part of the world that is Siberia okay Ikebana is a Japanese art of flower arrangement okay jeneke ikagai ebla kora Japanese okay jo ik ebla word ase okay ikagai ikebana these are all from these are Japanese word okay name the three capital of Ahom kingdom at different eras Saraigyo, Gargaon and Jorhat. Who built the Charminar of Hyderabad and on what occasion? Muhammad Quli Shah constructed the commemorate the eradication of the plague 1591. Okay. The governor of state is an integral part of state legislature. যিমানখিনি কোৱেশ্চন আছে প্ৰিভিয়াস ইয়াৰ্স কোনবা এটা এমসিকিউ পৰা উঠোৱা গৈছে ওকে তো যিমানকেটা কোৱেশ্চন আছে অলমোস্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় when was the first national emergency declared in India 1962 who presides over the joint session of both the houses of the parliament in India the speaker of the Lok Sabha in India National Science Day is observed on 28 February okay National Science Day किते observe करा है that is on 28 February. India changed over the decimal system of coinage in the year 1957. The largest source of power supply in India is thermal power. Monetary policy of India is formulated by the Reserve Bank of India. The government of India earns maximum revenue from corporate tax. की tax থাকে okay तो the basic of corporate tax recommendation of which of the following committee are followed by estimating poverty line in India that is Lakdawala committee in the 11th 5-year plan of India the largest allocation was for agriculture the air temperature rises with the height in stratosphere identify the continent of the world having the percentage of area under plain तो सबसे जे कार আছে Asia the largest fish exporting region of the world is Northeast Atlantic region the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats meet at Nilgiri hills ঠিক আছে our घाट जे हमर लेफ्ट साइड इंडिया लेफ्ट साइड वेस्टर्न घाट राइट साइड ईस्टर्न घाट तो हेटा कोट लग लागे नीलगिरी हिल्स द फर्स्ट नॉन कांग्रेस प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया वाज मोरारजी देसाई Tungabhadra and Bhima are the tributaries of Krishna तो रिवर सिस्टम ऑफ इंडिया कंप्लीटली पढिब লাগিব ओके Salsa, a popular dance form of social dance, originated from America. India intermediate range ballistic missile is known as Agni. What is the annual growth rate envisaged in the 5-year plan? That is 5.6%. The International Conference of Population and Development ICPD held in Cairo recognized as equal rights for women and men in the family. The Swarna Jayanti Award announced in the latest Union Budget will go to the defense personnel, who is known as the father of Indian cinema, that is Dada Saheb Phalke, और त्यावर नामत एटा अवार्डो दिया जाए. The single European currency to launch by the European Union 1999 is Euro. The famous milestone of India's freedom struggle celebrated its golden jubilee in 1992. It was Quit India movement. Who is the first Assamese to receive Janpith Award? Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is located at Jorhat. Huensang visited Assam during the reign of Bhaskar Burman. The Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited Industry is located at Lepet Kata. In which year Sukapa established Ahom Kingdom and in Choraidio, that is 1253 AD. Sukapa कितने आइसिले? Okay, इधर comment box में लिखी दिबो. The Guwahati Tea Auction Center was established in the year 1972. Bhogeshwar Borua wins a medal in 1966 Asian Games. Bhogeshwar Borua कितना आइसिले? 1966. In which kind of game? Olympic game हो पर optional. ठीक है सर. तो हे पाइसिले Asian Games. The Assam Sahitya Sabha was first founded in the year 1917. In which a national game was held in Assam, that is 2007. The War of Saraighat was fought between Ahom and Mughal in the year 1671. Who was the last king of Ahom Kingdom in Assam, that is Purandar Singha. The Abhiruchi Sports Day is celebrated on September 3rd. Ancient times, Assam is also known by name of Pragjyotishpur. Total number of districts in Assam 33. Srimanta Shankardev was born in the year 1449. The first conference of Assam Sahitya Sabha was held at Sivasagar. In which hilltop the Kamakya temple is located? Nilachal Hill. Okay. And about the district of Assam, तो किती बघितलं लेखा থাকিব according to the census 2022. Okay, इनका लेखा থাকিব পাৰে. Okay. हेतु टाइमत इधर जिनका अपडेटेड वर्जन ठीक আছে যোনটো আছে তো হেতু মুখস্থ কৰিব লাগিব ओके অলৰেডি ডিক্লেয়াৰ্ড কোনটো আছে কিয়কি ওয়েবসাইট এতিয়ালৈকে আপডেট হোৱা নাই ओके এন্ড যদি আপডেট আছে ओके হেতুত কি আপডেট আছে এক্স্যাক্টলি অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্যাট আমি লিখিম ओके আৰু তোমাৰ তাৰ এনেকুৱা নাহে সাপোজ এক্সামৰ দুই দিন আগত কিবা এটা উলাই গল হা নিউজ ओके that there are this number of bridges but according to the website of Assam website okay তাতে সাপোজ 6 লেখা আছে তো আমি 6 এ লিখিম বা 5 আছে 5 এ লিখিম ओके যদি সাপোজ তিনটা ব্রিজ ইনঅগ্রেট হৈ গল জাস্ট একদিন পৰীক্ষাৰ আগত তো আমি হেতু নেলিখো ओके which town is also known as the Manchester of Assam? Swalkuchi. The first Assamese film Joymati was released in the year 1935. In which year the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dispur? Very important question. 1973. Who is the author of the work The Evolution of Provincial Finance in British India, a study in the provincial decentralization of imperial finance? That is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In the context of the national affairs, which one of the following is correct about Lord Curzon? So he wanted to establish a British sphere of influence over the Persian Gulf and Sistan. Okay. He advocated a pacifist policy. No. He wanted England and Russia to become friends again against China. No. He wanted to lead a flag waving mission to the USA. No. Which one of the following is correct about Assam in British India? It was a part of the Northeast Frontier Agency. It was made a province in 1865. So it was separated from Bengal in 1874 and along with Sylhet made into a chief commissioner's province. So C option to correct ho jabo. Okay. What were the peasant associated set up in Kerala in 1930s called? That is Kashaka Sangham. Why did the Congress declare 9th May to be Ethiopia Day? Because Ethiopia was attacked by Italy in early 1936 and their resistance was considered freedom struggle. Who set up the Bharat Stri Mohamandal, which first met in Allahabad in 1910? That is Sarala Devi Chowdhury. Which one of the following is not a feature of non-cooperation movement? Economy boycott was intense and successful. No. The middle class participated in very large number in the movement. Yes. It was marked by uneven geographical spread and regional variation. No. Okay. So correct answer kya ho jabo? Not feature of the non-cooperation, which is not a feature. Okay. The middle class participant in very large number in the movement. Okay. But ki asle non-cooperation movement. Economic boycott was intense and successful. Okay. It was marked by uneven geographical spread and regional variation. Kotko spread is okay. Along with non-cooperation, other Gandhian social reform movements like the anti-liquor campaign achieved some success. Which publication was started by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan in 1928? That is Pakhtun. Okay. Pakhtun. Who is the founder of the Arya Mahila Samaj in early 1880s? That is Pandita Ramabai. Who among the following is considered to be the first Indian to go to jail performance of his duty as a journalist? That is Surendranath Banerjee. Which social reformer's autobiography entitled Looking Back describes his experiences in setting up schools for women in Pune in the 1890s? Okay, that is Thondo Keshav Karke. Forced labor or beggar is a violation of which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India? That is Article 23. Who was the first Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India? That is Alexander Cunningham. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of the Mughal Chronicles? So they contain brief geographies of the authors of the Chronicles. Okay, not a characteristic. So this is not a characteristics of the Mughal Chronicles, that they contain brief biographies of the authors of the Chronicles. Which one of the following statement regarding an overseas citizen of India, OCI, okay, there is PCI, OCI, NRI, okay, is not correct. So OCI is a citizen of another country, is not correct. Okay, is not correct. Jodi OCI, NRI ebilak to bahir no, kintu kiba eta minor difference ase. Hetu difference to ki OCI is a citizen of another country. Okay, true. OCI possesses multi-entry long-term visa for visiting India. True. And OCI is a part with NRIs in all matter. It is not true. And OCI is not entitled to fundamental rights to equality to opportunity in public employment. Okay. And NRI is a thakibo suppose possesses multiple entry for long term visa. So NRI kane henuka nohoy. Thik ase 180 days thakibo aru hi yar pora photo. Okay. So NRI kane beleg provision ase. Okay. Social cost is higher than economic cost because cost borne by bystanders is positive. Cess on coal at rupees 100 per ton is a type of key type of tax? Carbon tax. Okay, koila kihar eta form hai carbon hai, so it's a carbon tax. Core inflation is different from headline inflation because of the former ignores articles of the volatile nature of the price index. Who among the following is the author of the book Choices of Techniques? That is A.K. Sen. Which body has formulated the National Student Startup Policy launched by the President of India in November 2016? That is AICT, mane All India Council for Technical Education. Who was the chairman of the working group for determining the methodology for construction of Producer Price Index (PPI) in India 2014? That is B.N. Goldar. Which one of the following scheme is aimed at all-round development of adolescent girls in the age group of 11 to 18 years and making them self-reliant? That is Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adolescent girls. Panchayat extension to the Scheduled Areas Act 1996 permits self-governance of natural resources by Gram Sabha. Which one of the following countries is not a member of WTO? Japan, China, Iran, Russia. Okay, so Iran is not a member of WTO. WTO has 164 members. Its headquarters is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Okay. In case of gold, revenue is recognized in the accounting period in which the gold is mined. Okay. In the context of the accounting, the term IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. The cost of electric power should be apportioned over different departments according to horsepower meter multiplied by machine hours. Okay, the cost of the electric power should be apportioned over different departments according to horsepower multiplied by machine hour. মানে যিমান ঘন্টা চলাইছে ঠিক আছে, যিমান ঘন্টা এটা মেশিন যিমান ঘন্টা চলাইছে। ওকে, এটা মেশিন কমজোৰিও থাকিব পাৰে, যেনেকে 180 হর্স পাওয়ার, যেনেকে সিসি লেখা থাকে না, এটা বাইকৰ সিসি লেখা থাকে ন, তো সাপোজ সেটার হর্স পাওয়ার হয়। ওকে, তো এটা সাপোজ তুমি এটা বলেৰো তুমি চলালা 5 ঘন্টা, ওকে, আৰু এটা মাৰুতি সুজুকি চলালা 5 ঘন্টা, তো কোনে বেছি তেল খাব? ওকে, তো সেই হিচাপ কোনে ডিসাইড কৰিব? হর্স পাওয়ারটো। ওকে, হর্স পাওয়ার মাল্টিপ্লাইড বাই মেশিন আওয়ার্স। Under which schedule of the Companies Act 2013 are the formats of financial statements prescribed? That is in the Schedule 3. Questions relating to the application or interpretation of a standing order certified under the Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act 1946 may be referred to Labor Code. A union whose membership may cover workers employed in many industries, employment and crafts is known as General Union. The provision of workers' participation in management of industries in providing under Article 43A of the Constitution of India. The assumption that man is selfish and self-centered and always tries to achieve his own ends even at the cost of others explains which theory of the labor welfare? That is policy theory. For the first time in India, medical benefit as a non-cash benefit was provided under the Employees State Insurance Act 1948. Which one of the following statements is not correct for Atal Pension Yojana? Okay, that it is applicable to all citizens of India age above 40 years. So it is 40 na kiman hobo 60. Okay, and pura khini pohilo, there is a guaranteed minimum monthly pension for the subscriber ranging between 1000 and 5000 per month. Okay, the benefit of minimum pension would be guaranteed by the government of India. Okay, the government of India co-contributes 50% of the subscribers contribution or rupees 10,000 per annum, whichever is lower. Which one of the following is amount of annual premium of the Pradhan Mantra Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY for accident and disability cover up to rupees 2 lakhs? Okay, that is rupees 20. কিমান দিব লাগে প্রিমিয়াম? 20 টাকার প্রিমিয়াম। ওকে, which one of the following material is not diamagnetic at standard temperature and pressure? That is iron. Okay, diamagnetic. Substance which have the tendency to move from stronger to a weaker part to the external magnetic field are known as diamagnetic substances. Okay, যেনেকে ম্যাগনেটস আছে ন, তো কোনোবা যদি ডাঙৰ চুম্বক থাকে তো যিমান সৰু সৰু বস্তুবিলাক কি হয় ডাঙৰটাত যায়গে। ওকে, বাট ইয়াতে কি আছে, হ্যাভ এ টেন্ডেন্সি টু মুভ ফ্ৰম দ্য ষ্ট্ৰংগাৰ টু দ্য উইকাৰ পাৰ্ট অফ দ্য এক্সটাৰ্নেল ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড। ওকে, এতিয়া মানে একদম ভিতৰ পিনে ষ্ট্ৰং থাকে। ওকে, বাহিৰত যেতিয়া গৈ থাকো আমি তো কমজোৰ হৈ যায়। ওকে, তো ষ্ট্ৰংৰ পৰা যোনটো বাহিৰলৈকে যায় that is diamagnetic substances, that is iron. Which one of the following gases has a highest solubility in water? That is ammonia. Chlorine गुले, okay, carbon dioxide गुले, nitrogen गुले, but ammonia सबसे बेसी गुलिबो। Okay, nitrogen powder contains nitrogen, iodine, chlorine, bromine, and bleaching powder contains bleaching powder की থাকে chlorine। Okay, swimming pool की दियो हमें chlorine, ये जो जाकर हम सुकोटो की जोले। Calcium hypochlorite is commonly known as bleaching powder. Formula CaOCl2. तो ये Cl2 क्या है? Chlorine. What is the causal agent of chikungunya? तो chikungunya is a type of virus. Beauty of some historical monuments is greatly affected by the growth of certain living organism. This living organism belong to which one of the following groups? That is amphibious plants, lichen, bacteria या फिर virus. That is lichens. ग्रोथ ऑफ सर्टेन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम किंवा आमको जेनका हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स আছে ন কিবা কিবি তো যাৰ কাৰণে এফেক্ট হৈ আছে মাৰ্বলছ টো এফেক্ট হ'ব পাৰে কিবা কিবি ৰিজন আছে ওকে তো মোস্টলি কি হয় লিচেন্স which of the following has the characteristics of both an animal as well as plant that is euglena who among the following is not involved in the process of election of the president of India কোন না থাকে elected members of the Rajya Sabha থাকে elected members of the legislative assembly of the state থাকে nominated members of the Lok Sabha না থাকে none of them okay তো nominated members of the Lok Sabha না থাকে The President of India is elected by the member of the Electoral College consisting of the elected members of both the houses, the elected members of the legislative assemblies of the state, the elected members of the legislative assemblies of the Union Territories of Delhi and Puducherry. ठीक है सर तो यहाँ पे word तो क्या है elected okay elected not selected okay nominated no okay elected the President of India is not vested with which of the following veto power is not vested कोंटो दिया ना जाए okay absolute veto qualified veto pocket veto suspension veto तो qualified veto दिया ना থাকে okay veto powers की আছে absolute veto what is absolute veto in this case the president can withhold the assent to a bill passed by parliament with this the bill ends suspension veto की है president can return a bill for reconsideration of the parliament however if the bill is passed again by the parliament with or without amendments and is presented to the president again it is obligatory for the president to give his assent to the bill in case of suspension veto president is overridden by a repassage of the bill by the same ordinary majority qualified veto in this case president veto can be overridden by the legislature with a higher majority this power is available to the president of America okay and pocket veto is president does not take any action on the bill passed by the parliament there is no limit okay who among the following is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha okay that is vice president however whenever the vice president is acting as a president or discharging the duties of the president he does not perform the duties of the office of the chairman of Rajya Sabha okay who presided over the joint sitting of the both the houses of the parliament that is speaker of the Lok Sabha joint sitting of both the houses of the parliament can be summoned by the president to resolve a deadlock over the passage of a bill it is presided over by the speaker of the Lok Sabha it is applicable only in case of ordinary or financial bills and not to money bills or constitutional amendment bills a money bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha and that too on the recommendation of the president money bill is considered as a government bill therefore it can be introduced only by the ministers lame duck session refers to तो lame duck ये word तो है कि the last session of the existing Lok Sabha is the lame duck session the member of the existing Lok Sabha who could not get re-elected to the new Lok Sabha are called the lame ducks तो इधर तो बीजेपी उलाई जाए ठीक है we'll call them lame ducks okay the Spirit of Laws is a famous work by Montesquieu okay Montesquieu in this work Montesquieu talks about the separation of political powers and the need for check and balance in order to prevent the government from becoming authoritarian ठीक है authoritarian okay माने कि ओके द स्पिरिट्स ऑफ द लॉ तो वैसे कि माने डिक्टेटरशिप होबो ना लगे ओके तो आसे ठीक আছে यू आर रिफॉर्मिंग बट এনেকুৱা হৈ গৈছে कि ओके ओके आई एम द सुप्रीम लाइक हाँ 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 अलादीन ओके तो এনেকুৱা যদি চলি আছে তো खत्म ओके which is a work by John Locke তো টু ট্ৰিটিজ অন গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অ'কে নেক্সট আমি নেক্সট 100 আমি কমপ্লিট কৰিম অ'কে আৰু সেইটো দি আমাৰ 1000 MCQs কমপ্লিট হ'ব এণ্ড 1000 MCQs কমপ্লিট হোৱাৰ পিছত আমি নেক্সট 1000 আমি 2000 লৈকে আমি প্ৰচিড কৰিম অ'কে এণ্ড সাইড বাই সাইড আমি কম্পিউটাৰৰ এটা নতুন এটা সিৰিজ আৰম্ভ কৰি আছো অ'কে